Scullcandy. I just got this off I bought it at Marshalls. I got it for a good price for $69. Sounds real loud. Open it up right here. It's waterproof, drop proof. It's very heavy. It's heavy. Heavy. Scullcandy. Sounds real nice. Box comes with a charger. That's a charger. Nice little box too. Air raid. Scullcandy. Already tried it out. Sounds real loud. I'm talking about extremely loud. Doesn't have much bass, but sounds good. Sounds very good. It's like rubber.
Connected.
It's connected. Turn it off and on here. Disconnected. That sound lets you know when it's on and off. I'm turn on.
Connected.
Nice. I'm loving it. It connects with anything that's talking about tablets, phones. Good piece of work. I got it cheap. I saw this on Amazon for $103, $120. Some of them are more expensive because they painted, they colored, but this one I like black. That's my favorite color, black. I don't need no colors for it, just the sound. So I'm good. Thanks for watching.